welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. And in today's video what I have with me is the Harpic Bathroom Cleaner. So guys, this is a bathroom cleaner from Harpic right here, and we can see the Harpic branding right in the face of it. Then we have Disinfectant Bathroom Cleaner written on it. 10 times better cleaning, kills 99.9% of the germs in the bathroom, and has a fresh lemons aroma to it. Moving on to the back of the pack, what we have here is Harpic Bathroom Cleaner. Gives you unbeatable cleaning and Harpic freshness for the whole bathroom. It's a thick liquid formula with powerful cleaning agent, removes tough stains and kills 99.9% of germs. It also gives your bathroom a pleasant fresh fragrance. Now, how do we use this bathroom cleaner? They are also provided the directions for use here. For regular cleaning of bathroom floors and tiles, use 1.5 cup full in half bucket of water, which is like 4 liters of water. Then scrub gently and rinse. If there are tough stains, use undiluted to clean for best results. So on a tough stain, just pour a little of the liquid directly and then you can scrub. For disinfection of bathroom floor, tiles and sink, use undiluted for best results, or dilute using 1.5 capfuls in half bucket of water. Apply on surface, leave it for 5 minutes and then scrub gently and rinse. Do not use this Harpic bathroom cleaner on aluminium, brass and copper. Always spot check on a small hidden area before using. Ingredients are sodium hypochlorite, sodium lauryl ether sulfate, lauryl amine oxide, sodium hydroxide, perfume and deionized water. So that's all the information here, guys. This is a 1 liter pack that I have here, and the MRP of this product is 189. So I have been using this Harpic bathroom cleaner, and it definitely provides a wonderful clean bathroom every time you use it to clean the bathroom floors, and it leaves a very nice and pleasant smell after using it. So guys, if you all are looking to buy it, it's available on Amazon. Do check it out. I'll left a link in the description below. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.